Good morning. Good morning. Share screen. All right, so it looks like we're live. Good morning. Good morning. Overall, I kind of see we're bullish. Buyer stepped in right here yesterday. Buyer stepped in again right here. This is where it gets complicated right here in the zone. This is that question zone. So I gotta wait to see if we come here in reverse or if we're gonna shoot through this. This is what price is this? Yeah, let me see if we caught a decent trade yesterday. Well, we lost some money. Then we caught the reverse our bias. And almost caught 100 ticks yesterday. Almost. We got most of it though. We come up here and reject from this on the 1 hour. To see if we create this double top or if we're going to shoot through it, come back up, retest, and then go back up. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure just yet. So we gotta wait. When you don't know, don't trade. When you don't know, don't trade. So I'm trying to see if we come up here, potentially reject, or if we break there, retest, and go to the upside. I'm not quite sure just yet. So we wait. Got some fresh, oh shit. Some fresh apple slices. I'm gonna call this the gray zone. We're gonna see if we're gonna break these highs or not. Like these highs are being broken. We're gonna see if they'll be used as support. Alrighty, guys, got the book for the daily read. Let's see what actual candles are being printed right now. Looks like this could have been a liquidity sweep right here. Sweeping these lows. Or are we back bullish now? That is the question. Looks like we are above our EMA right here. I still prefer to see more. Well, how long until this candle close? We got 25 minutes until this candle close. Not sure if I should wait for the whole 25. Excuse me. But I would prefer to see type of support potentially go back up. That's what I would like to see. Create some type of up structure, come down, and then we can skyrocket up. We missed this sale. We should have instantly took a sale after that buy position. A sell right here would have been amazing. Yeah, I could have took this sale right here. Well, that was around 12 a.m. 12, around 1 p.m. Yeah, we could have took a sale to the downside, at least to here. So we wait, be patient. See a little bit more structure. That shit still didn't come up. Not all of it. Yeah, damn it. All right, so we patiently wait. Buys might be in order today. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking buys might be in order. We got paid some dividends, or we will get paid some dividends. What's the ex-dividend date is today. So in a couple of days. $39.81. Yeah, I want to deploy this a little bit. I think I got trying to buy some more stocks. I got only a couple dollars to deploy. I think this shit shot back up quickly. Damn, just back. Mhm. This is starting to look like the same pattern we saw yesterday. It's starting to look like the same pattern we saw yesterday. $297. What the fuck is that?
When people say, "Oh my God, slavery was 400 years ago," get over it. No musician has ever made it performing in a room of other musicians, and it's never going to happen. He's still out there performing for other artists at shows. I don't know why y'all. I get doing it for the love of the game. I get doing it because that's what you do. Okay, but like, when's the jerk session gonna end? Okay, when because it just seems like y'all are all just sucking. No musician has ever made.
So this is what I want to see. My bad, y'all. I was scrolling on the Instagram. I ain't seeing what I want to see yet. So I would like a little bit of, let me see, the regular candles. So maybe we should place a limit order. I want to see a real retracement though. This is why I used to like seeing the 3 minutes, because they probably gave us a 3 minute pullback right here. They probably gave us a 3 minute. Let me check. Because that 3 minute structure. Yep. What I said. Yep. 3 minute pullback right here. I told you. All right, let's see if we can get another entry right here. And hopefully it don't just run without us. Because it does that sometimes. It's running without us. Yeah, it looks like it's starting to run without us, guys. We got to get in. We got to get in. So we logging into our trader vet. Let me log in. Let me log in. All right, let's go small. Stop loss under here. See if we can get a limit right here. Somewhere in the sky. All right, so let's see if we could get another entry back down here. I don't know if it's gonna come back and pick us up or not. Hopefully it does. We're risking $155 on this trade. Always looking for a 1 or 2. If we can get it, that thing might just run. Hopefully it don't run. Hopefully it come back and pick us up. This would have been an ideal area during the breakout. Looked like it kind of did retest right here. Let me see. Yeah, it did retest right here. See, on the 5 minute, it didn't show that. It didn't show the retest on the 5 minute. Retest, new high. Use this as support, and now we're shooting up again. That's the only thing about those bad entries. Those entries will have you with a huge stop loss. Yeah, I kind of want to see some bearish sentiment real fast. I want to see a couple red, like 2 red candles. So I could see 2 red 3 minute. That would be a perfect entry, a better entry. Yeah, it's starting to run without us. Shit. Trying to find. So I'm considering getting in right now. But then that adds the question of where you gonna put your stop loss. Where's the invalidation point? As price just keeps running without you. All right, let's do right here. Let's do 5 contracts. That's about right. Damn, we gotta patiently wait. Don't catch a falling knife. Do not catch a falling knife. We need a clean pullback. So let's search for it on the 3-minute. I was searching for it on the 5-minute, but that thing ain't trying to come back for us. It ain't trying to come back for us. Excuse me. Or looks like he's giving us a small pullback. That's what we want to see. We want to see a small pullback. Come back to either this structure or this one down here. It might come back to this one. Either this one, or this one. And this is our invalidation point right here. Yeah, this is our invalidation. I probably should move it up just a little bit. If it can come back down to this gap, maybe they fill us in right here. If they could tap us in and then skyrocket back up, I don't know. Like it's stalling right now. Yeah, that thing just running right now. Shit, bro. That shit running without us, bro. Oh my god. Buyers are officially in the market. Let's check out this 1 hour. Yeah, we're back above. Yeah, we back above. We bullish like a motherfucker. But look like we're breaking these highs. Oh, that finished. Okay, that candle printed. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. I'm looking at the 1 hour print. Sheesh, part of me just want to get in. I'm not trying to chase too much though, because we didn't already ran a little bit. And already ran like maybe 20 some pips. Let me see. Let's do.
Buy the latest phone. If you want financial freedom, listen up. Stop buying things that make you look rich. Start buying things that make you rich. Don't buy designer clothes. Don't buy the latest phone. Don't buy the new car. Poor and broke people spend their money on things like this. And then the wealthy people, they buy knowledge, they buy investments, and they buy assets. Listen, there's nothing wrong with owning these things. But if you're buying them before you've built wealth, you've got the oil backwards. Looking rich is expensive. Building wealth pays forever. Buy assets, not liability. Today, live free for tomorrow. Follow if you're serious about building wealth and gaining financial freedom, I'll see you in the next video.
So let's see if we get tagged in. Let's see if we get tagged in. We're reversing right here. Part of me want to get in right here. Yeah, I'd like to see us get tagged in down here. And we got some bearish momentum. Under that block here, under that block is okay. Although there may be some orders to come back down here. We live, y'all. We are live. Our order has been filled. Stop loss is down here. Hopefully, it don't come and take us out before. I should have waited till we got another green candle. I should have waited till they retrace it all the way instead of guessing where the bounce is going to be. That's me being FOMO a little bit, having a little bit of FOMO, hoping that it don't run without us. Because it could very well actually come back down into this gap. It could very well do that. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have went so heavy. I probably should have added one contract right here. And then added some more down here. We'll see. There's some support right here. We'll see if this holds. We got some more. Hopefully, they don't come back all the way into this zone. We'll see. It might though. It could. If it could, very well. It could very well kick us out and then reverse right back up. But let's just wait. Let's just wait. Closing price is the only thing that matters. Let's go back to the 3 minute. Are we on the 3 minute? Yeah, let's go back to the 3 minute. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to wait till price reaches how far it wants to retrace. Then get back in. So I might add some more contract when we get us a bullish. We'll see. Max will add us 10 contracts. Yeah, we got about $1,000 in margin. Got a little error. One, two, three candles, 3 retracements. Okay. Yeah, I should have held my ground and just parked it. Gave myself a scared man entry. Scared man entries work, y'all. Put it further away from where you think is price gonna be, because sometimes it will shoot past your initial thought. So our entry is actually less than 1 and 2.
Terrell, you woke?
I am.
Can you drop me off at the wash house in an hour?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. All right, let me see. Where's my... So it looks like we getting a doji. We might be finding support right here. Are we? Thought it was... All right, I might add on the next 3 minute Hakanashi flat. I might add on the next 3 minute Hakanashi flat. And then I might take some profit at these highs right here. That's what I'm thinking. Let's see what the regular candles look like. Look like we're starting to reverse right here. Maybe I should add after this one. Add 6 contracts. We got 4 in already. Yeah, I'm adding 6 contracts. I'm going big. Oh, we in 12. My bad. I meant to add 4 more contracts. No, we in 6. What did I just add? Oh shit. I don't even know what the fuck I just did. No, we in 10. Okay, we in 10. Because I was in 4 at first and then it's 6. Once they get up here, that's a $300 profit. But let's see if we get this bounce up to this high. I don't want to see it reverse. Let me see. Where are we? All right, I'm not liking this. All right, I'm not liking this at all. This will probably blow this account. All right, I'm canceling. I'm not liking this at all. All right, we took a small loss right there. What is our balance? Yeah, green Hakanashi. It's still bullish momentum. I thought it was giving us a reverse. And then there's another zone right here. If we break through both of these, we kind of screwed. But I did call out that there's probably some orders right here in this gap. So they're probably coming to pick up first right here and then reverse up. The emotional side you can't get away from. Could this be it though? Could this be the reversal point? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. We wait. It's a fucking waiting game, y'all. A fucking waiting game. It gave us a little bit of bullish action. They closed above that candle. I got confident. All right, so we're starting to get a doji. Is this the turning point? Or are we coming down to this gap? We might be coming down to this gap, bro. I hope it don't nick us out first. It's going to whip us out by a tick and then reverse. This is why you can't call the bottoms. Man, that was my fault. I should have just waited. This is where the buyer stepped in. This is where I should have stepped in. I probably should close out right now, actually. And just get back in heavy. Is this the reversal? Let me see. I need a doji. We need a doji, y'all, right here. We need a doji. I be impatient. I ain't gonna lie to you. I have not mastered my emotions. Wait, where's my? Oh, that's on. Are we back under the? No, it's gonna revert. No, it's going. It's probably gonna. It's testing this area right here. This the choke point. So we got our stop loss just under this. Y'all, I do not. It's just under this point. Look like we might be reversing right here. This might be a good time to add some. This might be a good time to add. In fact, I think I'm gonna risk it. I might risk this account. This might be the time to add. This might add. Actually, this might be the time to add 8 contracts. I need to wait a little bit longer. Let me get some more confirmation. Stop loss down here. I might be risking the account right here. Risk it for the biscuit. Profit above here. All right, that's it. Right, that's it right there. Come on, get the fuck out of my way. All right, we might be risking the account. We might be risking the account, y'all. If we go under this, we done for. Right here. We got 400 and some change. Then we got 18. I thought I canceled one of those, bro. Oh shit. I did not cancel that order. What the fuck did I cancel then? I shouldn't have 18. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm definitely blowing this account. If this trade goes down here, probably even before then, I'm blowing this account. I don't think I canceled that other order. I don't think I closed. We might be blowing this account today. We either gonna blow this account or we're gonna make a lot of money. Oh my god, bro. We need it. We need a reversal right here. Or this account is gone. Or this account is goodbye. So if we can get a reversal to here, that'll save us. That will save us right now. Let me erase this. We need bulls to step in. We need the bulls to step in right now. We need the bulls to step in right now. There we go. Let's go, bulls. Let's go. Step in. Let's print money. We either gonna blow this account or we're gonna make a lot of money. And I'm liking what I'm seeing. So the bulls to step in about this area. Keep pushing to the upside. I don't mind a retest right here. But let's not break this week's low. Let's not break the low from the top of this week. We need all push to the upside. We need all push to the upside. Then we're gonna take out most of these contracts right here. Nah. We got very little room for error. Very little room for error. I'm not liking this. All right, I need to see a reversal. I don't want to see it go lower. I don't want to see it go lower than that. I know the gray box is where the zone is exactly. Unless it's creating a double. It could be creating a W. We're either gonna blow this account. If we blow this account, we're just gonna get back in with the other one. Tap in the gray box and then reverse. That's what I want to see. I don't like that tweezer, but I don't like that tweezer top is giving us right now, bro. I really don't like that. I really don't like that. We need a reversal around this point. Let's see if this zone hold, y'all. This zone got to hold for us. This zone has to hold. $53 seconds. 50 seconds until this candle close. Did it miss some orders or what? Or is the next candle going to just be a huge bullish candle? We're tapping back into the gray zone. That's where more buyers had their orders to be filled, potentially. We only got $400 balance left. Or is that the equity? No, the account balance. Where am I? I don't know. We might blow the account, y'all. This account could be going if it goes too much further down. I want to see a huge bullish candle right here. We need to see a huge bullish candle right here or a doji. It still hasn't tapped into this gray zone, but that's the area. I need to see a huge bullish candle. Huge. I need huge. Huge. Give me huge buyer volume. Huge buyer volume. So I just need to get up. We need to get up above. We're floating in debt right now. This is why I should have just been patient, bro. Because if I would have seen this first though, but it shot way past this zone right here, and it can't let it help. Not out the water yet. We are not out the water yet, y'all. Felt my emotions. I'm okay. I'm regulating. I understand. If we blow this account, that's fine. But I think this is the reversal point. I'm fine because this order block, Oh shit. Last minute of the candle, we starting in reverse. That's not a good sign. Any more bearish sentiment? I'm perfectly okay with a doji. Okay, we tapped into the gray zone. Let's go buyers. Let's go buyers. Let's go buyers. We need buyers to step in, y'all. Buyers should be stepping in at this level, bro. Come on, man. This is the sweet spot. Are we under on the 1 hour? Let me check the 1 hour real fast. Yeah, bro. This man, we man. I just want to see us come back and touch that high. I just want to see us come back and touch that high. I just want a little bit. I don't want a whole lot. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. This could be the reversal zone. This could be the result. The reversal zone. My entries be screwing me, bro. That's why, man, my entries be screwing me. Sometimes they work out for me. Sometimes they don't. But those entries be hurting me. And my FOMO. I was having FOMO right here, thinking it was gonna run without us. I was looking for a pullback, like I said. They gave us a deep pullback back into the zone. This is where the buyers are waiting again to get their orders filled. And they should be, I'm hoping, if I'm correct. And if we're not, that's okay. We lost an account. So we probably gonna blow this account if we go further down. I'm hoping we don't go back further down. We're already 797. Account gone, y'all. Account gone. Yeah, I should have put a scared man entry right here. See, I thought I canceled some of those contracts, but it didn't. It added on to it. So as price kept dropping down further, it was now. Let's clear this out the way. Should this be where we put our last order? No, we need to see a green Hakanashi. Let's wait for a green Hakanashi flat. Oh shit, bro. That's why Hakanashi is so important, bro. Like, you do not have to worry about the fucking candles, bro. Just fucking trade the Hakanashi. That's why I got it, bro. But I will be fucking contracts. All right, I gotta be patient. I got to be patient. These dojis, okay, I can see that. But these ones, yeah, I shouldn't have been adding. On these. Where did I originally candle? Right here. I originally wanted to put my stop loss right here. Yeah, I was going too heavy too soon. Too heavy. Too soon. This would be the perfect price to get in, though. Let me see. See if I can make some money back. I can only afford one contract now. I can only afford one fucking contract, bro. Wait, we breaking under the zone. Are we turning in? Are we turning into bears? We going bullish? There's a. We're using this right here as structure. It could bounce off of this. It could very well bounce off of that. Blow the account, or they're not letting us trade anymore because I blew past my $500 limit for the week. It said this account still has some money in it. I might have to trade from my other account. All right, let's switch accounts. All right, so we ain't on this other account, y'all. We damn near blew the other one. All right, so we want to see this high broken. And then we out the market, bro. We done for the day. If we lose this trade, we done. I want to see buyers step in here. So we damn near blew the other account. This account might be a winner. I should have been more patient. I should have been more patient on my other entries. And then I thought I closed. I closed up here, bruh. I seen the tweezer bottom or the tweezer top. Tweezer top shows down momentum. I closed around here because I knew price was coming back down. And maybe I added during this. I can't remember, bro. Part of me want to go big on this account. A part of me wants to go big on this account, but I done already lost enough. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna chill and just look to see if we can get back up to the high. Not gonna always get it right, man. Not gonna always get it right. I was impatient. I had having that gap being filled because I was an imbalance right there. And if we break under this and come down here, yeah, we're done trading for the day. Mercy, Lord. My brain is tired. I was actually thinking about buying a live account and only trading it on Thursdays. I might be buying that live account today. Actually, let me check my bank account. Let me see what we got in here. I'm gonna be over here on a different tab. I'm not even gonna worry about what that's doing. I gotta buy this live account, and then we're gonna be out of money. The rest of the money we gonna have to get a job soon, y'all. We gotta get a fucking job soon. Ain't that a bitch? Some type of part-time evening job because I still want to trade in the mornings. I gotta trade in the mornings. I just need to log in on that discipline. I should have put a scared man entry in that box because I pull 757. Okay. In the stocks account. I added more risk, but I'm gonna chill. I was doing too much earlier already. I gotta. I think this is the actual move right here. This was the breakout over here. We got the breakout. This the retracement. And this the real move right here for the New York session. All right, that's cool. This account is good though. The other account, I'm gonna have to do like some really tiny trades to build it back if I can. But I might end up blowing that other account. I'll pretty much blow it today. Mercy, Lord, mercy. All right, so how much you want to put in here? Are we getting any bullish Hakanashi? Yeah, okay. Green flat Hakanashi, Royal. Just wait till the green flat Hakanashi, second entry right here. Stops under that. Impatience, bro. Impatient. I should just let all this nonsense happen. Watching the Hakanashi only. This is why I need to disable my and I did, and then I put them back. I probably just need to disable the regular candles to begin with. Like they be fucking with me, bro. They be fucking with me. I need to disable the red candles altogether and not look at the motherfuckers because they too trickery. They too trickery. They gonna cheat you. All right, so let's add some more. Let's add some more funds to the stocks. We're gonna let that trade do what it do, bro. I think we're gonna go back up to the high. We might even clear it. But in the meantime, let's buy some long-term assets because this trading game is brutal. This trading game is brutal. Alrighty. Yeah, I might buy some SCHD. Might buy a little SCHD. Now we're getting the bullish. Man, bro, that impatience, bro. Impatience. Oh my God, bro. This is what I was waiting for. But I put too much size in going down. Yeah, I think I need to take my I probably need to disable the regular candles, bro. Cause I can't call them. I'm not good at calling them. And that's why I got the Hakanashi to begin with. Let's take these motherfuckers off, bro. I can't call it alcoholic. I can't call it. A part of me want to add more. I need $1,000 a day, bro. I'm gonna add one more contract. I ain't gonna do too much, but I'm gonna add another contract. I'm gonna risk another 50. Risk 50 for a gain of $67. All right, let's buy some more SCHD. Okay. That pushed me up to 86 shares. Long term assets. Alrighty, now let's see if we. Yeah, this would have been an amazing trade on that other account if we could have held out from adding any more entries. Adding 0 entries until this bullshit was over and a little close and got in right here. And this is all profit right here. This is all profit, worry free. It closed out the other candles. Right, watching the regular candles always screw me over. I need to focus on the 3 minute Hakanashi for my idea confirmations. Focus on the 3 minute Hakanashi for my idea confirmations. In fact, I should add more size. I should add more size. I should add more size. Just 2 more contracts. Just 2 more contracts. All right, big boss. Big boss. My invalidation point is about right here. I mean, where I'm thinking about putting my next stop loss. No, not an order. Come on, damn it. What am I? I want to put a horizontal line right here. So I don't know why we stalling. There we go. All right. So we got 8 contracts in. That high, but I want to see at least get there. In fact, I probably should. Nah, just leave it, Roy. Leave it. This is up to here at some point. I want to see a little bit more bullish action. Move all stop losses to about right here, or if they print one more bullish candle. All right, I feel a little bit better about this trade. The other one was fucking with my anxiety. I felt the anxiety building up. I was trying to breathe calmly, but I shouldn't have got in and added any more positions until I saw a green flat Hakanashi candle right here on the green. And that was my fault. Gonna get me right here. I saw the breakout. I was waiting for the retracement. Deep retracement back into the same zone where the breakout happened, and then the reversal. It's not so much reading the candles. It's controlling your emotions in the process. It's not so much reading the candles, but controlling your process. Yeah, that could have been $1,000 day, bro. That could have been. This is what I was trying to run it up. I'm gonna run it up on this account though. It's okay if I blow it. If I blow the other one. I don't want to though, but it's okay if I do. I think the next account I purchase will be a live account, so that I could just take 1 trade a week on it, Thursdays only. That's the goal. I'm thinking of taking 1 trade a week on a live account, so that I could pull some profits from it without this evaluation challenge nonsense. Okay, so this trade could be putting us back in the green so that we can get towards that $3,000 profit target and get to live, bro. Like, this should be exhausting. That's why I be trying to put so much size. Now I'm getting more comfortable with size. I think, well, you just saw me abuse my size just now, but I'm getting better at it though. The emotions do get a little bit better over time. Let's move everything up right here. Let's move all stop losses right here. Let's protect. Yeah, price can always go lower, bro. You might be thinking it's gonna bounce at a certain. Of course, the 5 minute for a second. But yeah, look, there's no reason. Maybe right here. I think this is what I was seeing right here. Maybe I was adding too much. But I think I was adding all the way down here. And it finally got right here. It hit exactly that zone and then reversed. You got to be patient, man. Got to be patient.
I'm ready when you are.
I actually got to make a run. I'm putting stop losses right here. Cause I can't afford to lose any more money. But I think we're gonna clear that. In fact, I'm gonna go a little bit lower. I don't want to be greedy at all. I don't want to be greedy at all. I'm gonna let the recording continue, and I'll be back. It might knock us out. Good trade, even though I screwed up the first one. We got fucking. All right, I'll be back. No, I need dog. Dog kitchen. Dog kitchen. Dog. It's been a little while. Oh, hell, they didn't hit y'all with an ad, bro. My bad. Looks like price hit our. They left it up here at the top. I would have been a little bit more profit. So, all right. I guess that's it. Let's do a small recap. I had to go somewhere real fast. All right, so let's do a small recap, y'all. The trade pretty much worked out like we planned it would, right? I probably should have kept up here, but I was being safe. As you can see, regular candles, but the trade happened exactly as we thought it would coming into the market, right? I didn't want to chase this. This is what I said I didn't want to do. This was giving me FOMO. I said we wanted to see a retracement. It's too bad. Anticipated that it could come to anything under here was an invalidation. Right to that, nicked us out by like probably a pip or two, and then reversed 80 ticks to the upside, more than 80 ticks to the upside, probably like 90. I don't know, but we protected our downside right here before I left. I let the rest run. Sellers are starting to step in. I probably should be selling right here, but I think I'm done for today. That was maybe a $700 trade, but it would have been nice on the other account. We almost blew the other account, but the trade happened exactly like we thought it did. We were just too eager. We screwed up, y'all. But that's all I got for you. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get this account into the green when it comes to. See, I should have added 16 or 18 8 tier, and it got choppy, and then the account on the other account. It ain't going though. It's gonna hell pulling that out the mud if I even can. I might just blow it. I don't know. But that's all I got for you, man. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next live video.